Every one of us, without exception, has certain members of our family who are problematic to deal with. And this is the reality of human existence. Sometimes we feel, oh, only I have that weird uncle or that harsh cousin or that demeaning aunt. No, every human being is tested with family members that are problematic to our sanity, our calmness. This is the reality. And Allah says in the Quran, we have made groups of you to be tests to others. وَجَعَلْنَا بَعْضَكُمْ لِبَعْضٍ فِتْنَةً أَتَصْبِرُونَ. We made groups of you to be tests and difficulties to others to see who amongst you will be patient. And no doubt, brothers and sisters, that in dealing with such difficult family members, our iman will be tested. One of the biggest tests of this life is to deal with difficult family members, because we are battling between our egos and submission to Allah. Really, that's as simple as that. It is our ego. My uncle said this, I'm not going to forgive him. My cousin did this at the wedding, I'm never going to say salam to him again. This is my ego speaking. And we know the commandment of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala when it comes to family. And it's very difficult to battle one's ego when it comes to the family issues. But this is where iman is demonstrated. Now, no doubt, caveat here, no doubt, if a family member is physically harmful to you, we're not asking, anybody to get physical harm. And no doubt, some family members are psychologically so traumatic that it will affect your iman, or you feel you will not be able to control your temper. So in those cases, when it's psychological, it's no doubt that you need to act wisely and perhaps not expose yourself to a situation where you will fail. But even if you decide that there's a psychological trauma, you don't want to be with this family member, then make sure that that is a temporary intention. You are not allowed to boycott for more than 3 days, and boycotting is salam. And in your heart, make it your desire that inshallah I will heal this over time.